Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Manor Lords not launching from Xbox app or Microsoft Store. Let's fix it guys. Method 1 is to check for Windows updates. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates and install any available updates and restart your computer if prompted. After getting you are up to date, just close off here. Method 2 is to reset the Xbox app. To do this, go to search menu and type Xbox. Right click on the Xbox app and select app settings. In here you just need to scroll down. Select the reset option. Select reset. After getting reset done, just close off here. Method 3 is to reset the Microsoft Store. To do this, go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store, right click on it and select app settings. In here you just need to scroll down, select the reset option and select reset it. After getting reset done, just close off here. Method 4 is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. To do this, go to search menu and type ws reset. Comes up run command, click on open it. This will clear the Microsoft Store cache. After getting done, you can check if the problem solved or not. Method 5 is to reinstall gaming services. To do this, go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. After finishing this command, copy the second command and tap the bar and paste with Ctrl V and press enter. This will open the Microsoft Store and you can install the gaming services. Click on the install option and install it. After getting installed done, you can check if the problem solved or not. Method 6 is to ensure Xbox services are running. To do this, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to search for Xbox service. Type X in here and you will be get the Xbox service. You just need to double click on it one by one and startup time set to automatic. And if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same for other Xbox services. After doing it, just close off here. Method 7 is to log out and log back in. You just need to open up Xbox app and the Microsoft Store and log out from both applications and then log back into both the Xbox app and the Microsoft Store with your Microsoft account and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.